Hello, dear kids. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome again in nursery class in California Public School, Kukrana, and I am your teacher, Kirandeep. My dear students, today we are going to start our new theme, Wild Animals. This is our fifth theme, and we will learn the theme question answers. Okay, let's start. First question is, which animal has a trunk? An elephant has a trunk. Speak up. Elephant has a trunk. Second question. Is an elephant a pet or a wild animal? Elephant is a wild animal. Third question. Name two animals that have stripes on their bodies. Tiger and zebra have stripes on their bodies. Fourth question. Which animal has black spots on its body? Leopard. Fifth question. Name an animal that has a pouch to carry its young one. Kangaroo. Speak up. Kangaroo. Okay, students, revise the question answers. Thank you. Bye bye.